Here we are in beautiful Pompanesett Island. Would like to thank the Griffins for this oh so generous house gift. It took them 3 years to provide this, but I'd like to thank you all very much. And momentarily we will show you how the lawnmower works. Protective eyewear, as I have these goggles, a helmet are essential for proper lawn maintenance. You need the helmet in the event of any fallen trees or limbs. You wear your eye coverage to protect your eyes in the event of any stones or any other debris that may get kicked back. As you know, it's most important to wear boots. The grass could be wet, could be slippery. Very important to have good solid shoes. And above all, if the lawnmower should so happen to come back towards you, you will have your feet protected. I prefer wearing these reinforced knees for any weeding that is done in the beds. Let me demonstrate the operation of lawn cutting and the ease of starting this new lawnmower given to us by the Griffin family. Here we have the dead man switch. We pull this down. This will engage the ability for us to pull start this. This mower is an easy pull start. Notice where the pull start comes to. Here we go.